In this lesson, we will talk about circle theorems. So what do we mean by a theorem? Theorem is basically a rule which remains true for all conditions. So we can say these are circle, we are studying about circle rules or circle laws, but generally they are termed as circle theorems. Let us see the theorem, first theorem, theorem 1. It states equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Subtend means they make. So in the center paragraph we will see some explanation, and over here we will just summarize the theorem. And these are the conditions, like A, B and CD are chords. So AB and CD are chords of a circle, and O is the center of the circle. Now as per this theorem, it says that equal chords make equal angles at the center. So that means if chord AB is equal to chord CD, so I have written if AB is equal to CD, then the angles they make at the center is O. What angles are they making? They are making angle AOB and COD. So the theorem says, the explanation of the theorem is that if AB is equal to CD, if two chords are equal, then the angles made at the center are also equal. Now if we see the inverse of this theorem, which is the opposite, then we can say that if the angles are equal, if the angles made at the center are equal, then the chords will be equal. So this law or this theorem is just opposite to this theorem. Both are same theorems. So these are theorem 1. Just to give you an explanation, let us see example given by GeoGebra. Now in this circle there are two chords. Let's call this chord as AB and this chord as CD. If you observe, both are of 4.75 centimeter. So they are equal. And if you see, both are making same angle at the center, 60.93, 60.93. Now even if you change these points, for example, if I change this point, as long as the length of the chord remains the same, the angles will remain same. Even if the chords are changing and they are changing the angles, you see the length of chord is changing, but the chords are of same length. As far as the length remains the same, as long as the length remains the same, the angle at the center will also remain, even if you change the points, or even if you change the size of the circle. Suppose you keep on changing the point, the angle at the center remains the same. So this explains the theorem. This point, that equal chords make equal angles at the center.